back to my channel. My name is Megan, and today I'm going to be making a beautiful macrame hanging light. So first things first, real quick, if you're not already subscribed, please hit that subscribe button and make sure that you are on for notifications, and give this video a thumbs up if you are into this project. So I got this idea on Pinterest, like a lot of my projects that I do, and my God, it's beautiful. It came out better than I thought it would, and it's really, really easy. So let me just go ahead and get right into it and show you how I made this.
I purchased these hanging pendant lights from Amazon, which I will link below. You only need one for this project, but I did use the other one to make another hanging light, so I have two in my living room. This 2-pack was only $15 on Amazon, and I saw the same product on other companies' websites, and just for one hanging light was like $40, so this was a great deal. I found this vintage style light bulb at Home Depot. You'll need at least 400 feet of 1/8 of an inch 3-strand cotton rope. I ordered mine from Knot and Rope Supply Company. A hot glue gun and some hot glue. And lastly, some ceiling hooks to hang the lights on the ceiling. These ones came with the light pendants from Amazon. The first thing I did was measure out 3 strands of rope. The pendant light is about 20 feet long, so each strand I made 8 times the length of that, which is 160 feet, so you should have 3 strands at 160 feet. We'll start in the very center of all 3 of those strands, and you're going to use the hot glue gun to glue those 3 strands to the base of the pendant light. Make sure you let that set and completely dry and cool down before you continue on. I'm going to treat these 3 strands on either side as one, and I'm going to create a series of half square knot spirals. Since these cords are extremely long, I highly recommend using some sort of tape to adhere them together every few feet throughout the entire length so that you can pull them through fluidly. And I'm just repeating this half square knot over and over and over again to create a spiral formation down the length of the cord. Once you get down to the bottom, all you have to do is use your hot glue gun to adhere your loose ends to your spiral. And you'll want to cut off any excess rope that you have hanging. Simply screw your light bulb in and you are ready to hang.